Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous.
And I'm Camila from Heart Behind Hustle.
And today we have an unboxing for you.
Of the MinxLit box.
Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. And if you're interested in
online marketing strategies for coaches and experts and online-based entrepreneurs, then you can check me out. My channel is Heart Behind Hustle TV.
And I will leave the link for that below. Today we're doing an unboxing of the MinxLit box. So it came in this plastic bag, and so we'll pull it out. All right, here we go. So MinxLit, if you don't know, is for creative female entrepreneurs, and it was started by a woman who is an author. All right, so here we go. Oh, hello, and hey Lisa, thank you so much for giving us a try. XOXO Sade. Yeah, that must take forever to write. Okay, so we have blue tissue paper, and it just seems to cover up the top. And we have, confidence is not wanting everyone to like you, it's being okay when they don't.
Cute.
We're here to help you grow your brand today. J. Marie, Digital Marketing Strategy and Design.
Looks like an ad.
Oh.
Here's an ad.
Here's an ad. March 2018, vlog box.
How convenient. We are vlogging right now.
Oh, how cute. This is like a list of everything you get.
Cool.
And then it tells you how much everything's worth.
Is that her book? Is that
Yeah.
what it is? Oh, cool.
I think so. I think that's her book. Am I in the right? I don't even know if I'm in the right spot. So, what else does it tell you? Writing prompts.
Blog topics.
Something
Other things.
special.
I think these are offers.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
These are other
More offers.
Yeah. More ads.
More ads. Okay. Do you want to open the first one?
Yes. All right. So this is a fisheye lens, 3-in-1. It looks like it's probably for your iPhone.
That's for your camera.
Which Lisa just got an iPhone. Very exciting.
It could be for an Android. You don't hate Android users.
Yeah, we don't. I am friends with her after all. Okay.
That's cool.
So it's just like, you just do that somehow.
I don't know. Oh, it clips. It must clip onto the other end. Here, I'll put my eye.
Oh, wait. I figured it out. Yeah. So you do it like that. And then you take your phone and you clip it over this. And then you take it off.
Completely.
Completely. Never mind. I don't know if that's how you do it.
We'll figure it out later and get back to you. All right, I will open the next one. Lava clay and honey facial mask. Oh.
Powdered facial mask.
Oh, it's powdered. How do you do that? I'm so confused by all these products.
Well,
Did you mix it with water?
I mean, the ingredients are pretty good. It's Moroccan lava clay, white clay, honey, powder, dehydrated coconut milk, and maltodextrin, which is pretty good.
There's no
I don't know.
directions.
I don't know how to do that. It just opens.
I don't understand.
I don't either. Well,
Confusing.
if maybe we can YouTube it.
Maybe. All right, you can do the next.
All right, we have a mini tripod. I'm getting all the techie video gear things. So it's with a mount. So that's pretty cool.
We could try it out with the new Canon that you have.
And there are instructions.
That's much
So
more
yeah, so
helpful.
you just put your
Oh, it's a phone.
you put your phone in here. Yeah.
Oh, or
but
a
also
camera.
a camera. So that's pretty cool. Or anything, even this like weird light.
All right, weird things can go on the tripod too.
It's a little.
Hold it up. Oh, it's like tri-directional. It's in all directions. Oh, I see it has the screw thing. Oh,
Cool.
it's very thin. I don't know
Yes.
if I'd trust my expensive
It's a
camera
little,
on it.
yeah, I would use it for something light because it's a little flimsy.
Yeah. All right. This looks very mysterious.
It's a ball.
Oh, wrapping, inside wrapping.
That's a pretty jar.
Is this Sugar Bell?
It's a soy candle.
Oh, it's a candle. White tea and berries.
I love candles. Can we smell it? No, like actually smell
Kinda
it
smell
by
it.
opening it?
Oh. I thought it has holes though to vent, right? Oh, I see. Yeah. But I swear there's holes.
There's holes, but I wanted to smell the real thing.
All right.
There's chocolate. Dark chocolate.
That's a have to have. No,
Yeah.
it's a dark. It's yours.
Oh yeah,
I'm not into
that's
dark.
my thing. You don't like dark chocolate?
I like milk chocolate. Jesus. It's way better.
More ads. Business cards from people. Mask. We found the instructions.
There's directions
For the
what do we have
mask.
to do.
You have to mix it.
This will go on. 1 teaspoon of powder with a teaspoon of mixer of your choice. A mixer, like a chaser, margarita mix.
I'll take some cranberry juice.
Apply to skin. After 10 minutes, rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use once or twice a week.
It tells you what skin type, what mixer to use. For combination, milk or yogurt, oily water, normal water or milk. Or you can also use honey. I'd probably not use honey for that because it's...
That would stick to your face.
Yeah. But now we know how to use it. No longer need to YouTube it.
Yours.
No, that's you because I just kind of took over.
Oh, okay. All right. Notepad. Nevertheless, she persisted. Today's date, the battle plan, today's weekly to-do,
Cool.
appointments, missions. That's
And you
cute.
can put your mood. If you're nasty.
So we can track that and memorialize it.
Just nasty every day.
So this is the Notepad. It's cute. All right.
And last but not least, we have Amy's book, Vlog Like a Boss. I'm really bad at opening. Yeah, I'm like the worst at opening.
I've never seen a book wrapped like that.
I know.
That's cute though.
Here's Amy's book, which I actually have already read.
Do you have it? Is it like on your
I have it
shelf?
on my Kindle.
Oh, okay. I've already read it too. Now what are we gonna do with it?
Now we're just gonna look at it.
Great. So we are going to be doing the 3-system Cold Stone Creamery scale.
She loves Cold Stone.
So it'll be like it, love it, or have to have it for every item because you can't really hate something that was free. All right, cool. So that was it. I would say, what do you say? Like it, love it, have to have it for this box?
I think it was, I would say I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a love it. I think it was, I don't know if I have the price right. It might have been $39.99.
If it's $39.99, I would say love it. If it's $49, I would say like it.
I would say it's a love it. I don't know if I'd have to have it, but I loved it. Like I felt like it was heavy, like got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, felt cool.
Awesome. All right, well, leave a comment below and let us know if you have the MinxLit box and if you love it, liked it, or you have to have it. So I also have a code. It's called, I don't remember what my code is, but I will leave it in the description below for a discount on the MinxLit box. All right, bye everyone. Did you say bye?
Bye.